Hello everyone, heartiest welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadra June. This is our class 7 subject maths and our exercise number is exercise number 3.1. Okay. So now what we will do is listen. We will go for our question number 9th and part 5th because up to part 4th we have solved in our very previous video. Okay. So how many? Question number 5th is question number 9th and part 5th is how many, because this question I have given as homework in our last video. Okay, how many girls have heights, how many girls have heights, how many girls have heights more than how many girls have heights. Fifth is how many girls have heights more than the mean height. Okay, how many girls have height more than the mean height? How many girls have heights more than the mean height. Okay, more than the mean height. Got it? So our mean height was in our last video was 1414 and this was our answer, which is 141.4. okay, and data is what? Height of girls. Data for height of girls is given as 135, 150, 139, next one is 128, next one is 151, next one is 132, next is 146, next one is 149, after that 143, and in the end 141. okay, so height of 10 girls is 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. okay, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? How many girls have heights more than the mean height? Okay, mean height is 141.4, so this number is less than 141.4, so it will not be counted here. This number is greater than, so this girl have height more than the mean height. okay, this number is also less than, so this number will not be counted. This number is also less than, okay, this number is greater than, so it will be counted. This number is also less than, this number is greater than, it will be counted. This number is also greater than, it will be counted. This number is also greater than, it will also be counted. This number will not be counted. So how many girls are there whose height is more than the mean height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. okay, so number of girls having height more than mean height, more than the mean height, equals to what? 5. got it? okay, how many girls are there whose height is more than the mean height is 5? good. okay, so now what we will do is we will go for our question number next, which is question number what? okay, this was our question number 9th completed. Now we will go for our next question, which is okay, actually next question is not there in our exercise number 3.1, so we will go for our exercise number 3.2. Okay, so what is our exercise number 3.2? First question, I am going to rub it for creating some space. Exercise number 3.2. Okay, what is there? Question number first is exercise number 3.2 and our question number first is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Okay, the scores in mathematics test out of 25, the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Of 15 students, okay, question number first is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Okay, as follows. 19, first one is 19, second one is 25, third one is 23, fourth one is 20, after that 9, after that 20, after that 15, after that 10, after that 5, after that 16, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Okay, 12 and 20. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Find the mode and median. Find the mode and median of this data. Okay, are they same? Okay, so now what we will do is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. 19, 25, 23, 19, 25, 23, 29, 20. Okay, the data is what data is we are given. We are given the data is 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. Okay, find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? We have to know whether both are same or not. Okay, so first, actually in our exercise number 3.1 we have already dealt with, or we are dealing with, mean or arithmetic mean or average. Okay, three names are there for mean, arithmetic mean or average. But in this exercise we will go for dealing with what? Mode and median. Okay, so I am just going to define both of them. Mode is what? Maximum recurring data. Okay, maximum reoccurring data, maximum reoccurring data is called maximum reoccurring data is called mode. Okay, if 2 or 3 readings are there which are reoccurring equal times and that is maximum, then all three will be called as our mode, okay, of the given data, given data. And median is what? Median depends on number. When we will go for finding median, what we'll do, first step we have to take is write the given data in ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. In ascending or descending order. First what we have to do is we have to write our given data in what? Whether in ascending or in descending order. What we have to do is we have to write our data in ascending or in descending order. We have to write our data in ascending or descending order. We have to write our given data in what? In ascending or what? In descending order. Okay. After that what we will do is we will go for how many number of digits are there. In ascending or descending order. Whatever are suitable we can choose, no problem is there. Okay, so first what we will do is write the given data in ascending or descending order. Now our second step will be what? Our second step will be count. Count the number of digits there. Count the number of digits there. Okay. Let n मान लिया उसको, है ना. Now our median will depend on the n. Okay, I am going to rub this because we are very able to just find out, or we have already understood what is our mode. Okay, now we are discussing our median. So I am going to rub this one. I think now there is no need, and you have taken a screenshot or you have written with me. Okay, so n could be of two types. Okay, first one is what? First one is n could be, or n can be even. N can be even or n could be odd. Okay, if our n is even, if our n is what? If our n is even, then first we will discuss odd. If our n is odd, then we have to take n plus 1 upon 2th term. 2th term will be our median. will be our median. Okay, and if n is even, then formula will be just bigger, n by 2 plus 1, n by 2th term, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole upon 2. Okay, means mean of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term is our what? Is our median. Okay, and in case of odd, this data will give us median, and in case of even, this data will give us median. Just write down. After that only we will go for our next question, which is our question number first. Okay, I hope you all have just make perfect note of what I have taught you in our definition of both. First one is what? First one is the mode, and the second one is median. First one is mode and second one is median. Okay, now what we will do is, listen, I am going to rub this and will go for calculating our what? Mode and median. Okay, so first we will go for mode. What is our mode? Okay, listen, actually mode is maximum recurring data. 90 is recurring only one time. Okay, 25 is recurring 2 times. 19 is only recurring 1 time. Okay, 25 is recurring 2 times or coming 2 times. 19 is coming only 1 time and 25 is recurring 1 more time and coming 2 times. Okay, so what? 23 is only coming 1 time. 20 is coming 4 times. First 20 is coming 4 times. First one, second one, third one, and this is fourth one. Okay, 20 is coming 4 times. This is our first one, this is second one, this is third one, and that's fourth one. 20 is coming 4 times. How many times 23 is coming? 23 is coming only 1 time. How many times 9 is coming? 9 is coming only 1 time. 15, how many times 15 is coming? 15 is coming only 1 time. 10 is coming only 1 time. 5 is also coming only 1 time. 16 is also coming 1 time. 12 is also coming only 1 time, and 24 is as well only coming 1 time. Okay, here we are seeing our 20 is coming 4 times. 20 is recurring 4 times. Okay, so our mode of the given data is what? 20 is coming recurring. 20 is occurring 4 times, which is maximum. Hence our mode equals to 20. Okay, now we will go for median. Just write down our mode first. After that on we will go for median. Okay, so what we will do now, we will go for median. So what we will do is we will rub this all data and we will write median. Okay, now I am going to calculate our median. And what is that? Our median is what? Our median is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. ठीक. How many are there? 15 are there. Okay, so I am going to write on writing the given data, in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. As previously I have taught you that first we have to write our given data in ascending or in descending order, whether in ascending or in descending, as you wish you can write. Okay, we will go for what? We will go for ascending order. So I am going to write our ascending order. Okay, our given data in ascending order. Okay, so what is our minimum? Our minimum is what? Minimum is 9. So 9, and after that 10, after that 9, 10. Okay, 5 is also less than. So 5, our first digit is 5, our first digit is 5, after that 9, and after that 10, after that 12, 10, after that 12, after that 15, 15, 16, 16, 15, 16, 16 and 19, 19 and 20 is coming 4 times. Okay, 20 is coming 4 times, no doubt is there. And after that what is 19, 20, 20, 21 is not there, 22 is also not there, 23 is here. Okay, 23, after that 24, and 24 is coming only one time. After that, after 24 we will go for 25. 25 is coming 2 times. This is 25, again this is 25. Okay, after 25, 25 is the greatest digit, है ना? No digit is there after 25. Okay, now how many digits are, how many numbers are there? We have to count once again, so that we will be able to know whether we have misplaced any digit or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, we are given for 15, and we have noted all the 15. Got it? Okay, now what we will do is we will go for finding out our median. We will go for finding out what our median. Okay, so here number of terms or number of observation, number of terms equals to 15. Number of terms means n equals to 15, which is odd. We have already counted 15 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so 15 number of terms is 15, and which is odd. Hence formula for our median will be 15 plus 1 upon 2th term will be our median. Okay, 15 plus 1 is what? 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 upon 2 is 8th term will be our median. So eighth term is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Eighth term is 20. Okay, so 20 is our median, and we are also asked that are they same? So our response is yes, both are same. Means our mean and our mode and median both are same, because both are 20 only. Got it? Okay, everyone, you have to note these all the questions which I have solved for you on your notebook very carefully, and you have to take your care very good, and your dear and near ones. Okay, you have to take very good care of your dear and near ones. So and you have to write each and every question on your rough notebook first, and after that on your fair notebook. I have told you from the very beginning. Okay, and all other questions of mode and median we will study, or I will teach you in your very next video. Okay, so till then you have to write these all questions and practice them in a very better manner. Your next question of this exercise number 3.2 will be your homework. Okay, so till then take care, bye bye.